Ooh, that's justice.
I'm Benjamin from Bemaro here, and today I'm boarding a flight to New York. Waiting for the client. He's going to be showing up in his Shelby GT350, the vehicle which I'm going to be putting paint protection and custom stripes. So here he comes. Yeah, we're gonna put this trunk to use today. So you're at the gas station fairly often if you're driving this thing. I arrived at the client's location a little bit ago, and I'm gonna get started, and the first thing I'm gonna do is remove the racing stripes, and then I'm gonna be putting paint protection over the front bumper. It's gonna protect it from rock chips, road debris, and light scratches and swirl marks. Alright, so we're out here with car number 2, GT350, white in color. Let's get this garage open so we can get started. Time to fly out to my third and last job site in Erie, Pennsylvania.